The DJI Avata now appears in an FCC filing. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? My name is Anthony and welcome to Dan's Drone. In today's video, we are talking about the DJI Avata, which is DJI's latest FPV drone in the works, and we should be seeing it soon. More evidence to prove that we are going to be seeing it soon is an FCC filing that was just discovered on July 26th. As you guys may or may not have seen, last week, I posted a video showing the leaked images of the DJI Avata. These images paired with this new FCC filing gives us everything we need to know about the drone being right around the corner. But the question is, when will we expect to see the drone? There's no word yet on an official launch date, but we should be seeing it within the month of August. Some people have also said that they think that we'll see it on September 1st. If you want to know my personal opinion, I think that we're going to see the drone probably within the next 2 weeks. And based off of past leaks of other DJI drones, that is what seems to be the most likely scenario. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the DJI Avata. Are you excited for it? It's definitely around the corner, so it's going to be really cool to see it. And I'm hoping to get my hands on it, so that would be really nice. Definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.